Thanks to me getting fired from Disney, I now create my own content. And you're seeing it right here. Knockdown hacking up of a roof here in Hollywood. After a 3-alarm fire on a fine Friday morning here. And LAFD hacking that thing up real good. $18.33 Wilton, everybody. $18.33 everybody. This was exact address. Roof's gone, second and third floor gone, according to this fire inspector. Abandoned house. 2 to 3 stories are gone. The bottom floor might still be there. Illegally converted. House is a total loss. It's going to be a knockdown.
Got a fence on. He said they had an older BPA on it.
It already had a demolish order on it, and homeless people decided to take up in it and catch it on fire here. Everybody thinks, oh, the fire's out, everybody gets to go home. Everybody gets to go have some beers. That's what it looks like on TV, right? On 911. You know, sit around and talk about it. But this is when the real work starts as well. And you have to knock this sucker down, make sure all the embers are out. Make sure this house next to it is completely protected. So they don't wake up in the middle of the night calling the fire department and saying, oh, hey, by the way, our house is on fire because of embers that shot over from here. They're doing a perfect, great job. Station 35 here. And looks like there was a 227. See, you're getting the good wave here from them. Giving the thumbs up. Yeah, they're doing a good job, man. Sees I'm filming. This is the real work, man. This is the grunt work. He's doing a great job supervising. But no, this is when the real work begins. Get to inhale all of that asbestos and nastiness and all that crap. is the non-glamorous fun part. Non-glamorous, non-fun part of firefighting. None of it's fun. I know there's guys that are, and ladies as well, of course, firewomen that are junkies and love to run into fires, but this is the aftermath. This is, thank goodness, this was an abandoned house here at 1833 Wilton in Hollywood. Thank goodness it was an abandoned house, but very close to an unabandoned house. These people here, you know, just trying to live their lives here, and they have to wake up to this 4 days before Christmas, worried about if their house is going to go up. The inspector went away. I was able to get some good little information there. Not much more than I already knew, but at least we got the exact address. We've got the fact that it was abandoned already. Probably don't know if the exact cause. I think the first guy said that the guy, that whoever said it might have made it out. Might have. It's total speculation. Well, at least these people can rest easy tonight. Thank God. Have everybody in a little more perspective of the neighborhood here. Right in the shadow of the Hollywood Hills. 3-alarm fire. Everybody getting waken up out of their beds. The tree-lined street that you see in all of the movies here in Hollywood. I live here at Hollywood Greg LA. Check me out on all my social media and especially on YouTube. I will be posting some of these videos, and I'll be posting some of the earlier video I took that I didn't get live here on TikTok. So you can see the beginning of this fire if you have any interest. Well, my phone's about ready to die. I want to thank everybody for watching. The rest of this, they would not be standing in there if there were embers. They have the hoses out and they're wetting it all down, and we get to see a whole day of knockdown here. I think everybody showed up on my live here to see a fire. You saw the fire. Thank you for enjoying my perspective.